Alright, travel enthusiasts, tired of dreaming about lavish vacations and thinking they're only for the elite? Well, prepare to have your mind blown. Today we're unveiling the closely guarded secrets of luxury travel on a shoestring budget. These are the tricks the travel industry doesn't want you to know, the hacks that will transform your vacations from ordinary to extraordinary. Get ready to ditch the budget backpacker stereotype and embrace the 5-star lifestyle without breaking the bank. Hash 10, cruising luxury for pennies on repositioning cruises. Imagine yourself gliding across the turquoise waters of the Caribbean, sipping cocktails on deck and indulging in gourmet meals, all while staying in a luxurious stateroom. Think that's only for the rich and famous? Think again. Repositioning cruises are your secret weapon for experiencing high-end cruising at a fraction of the cost. What are repositioning cruises, you ask? Well, twice a year, cruise ships relocate between different regions to take advantage of the changing seasons. For example, they might move from Europe to the Caribbean in the fall, and then back again in the spring. These one-way voyages often offer incredible discounts because the cruise lines are more focused on getting the ship to its new destination than filling every single cabin. We're talking 5-star accommodations, world-class entertainment, and exquisite dining for literally pennies on the dollar. Sometimes you can snag a cruise for as little as $30 a day, including all your meals. That's cheaper than staying home and cooking. You can relax by the pool, enjoy live music, and explore exotic ports of call, all while knowing you're getting an unbelievable deal. This is the epitome of luxury travel without the luxury price tag. Pro secret: book early to secure the best cabins and prices, and keep a close eye on sites like vacationstogo.com or cruisesheet.com. These incredible deals disappear faster than free cocktails at happy hour. Be flexible with your dates and ports of call to maximize your chances of finding a truly exceptional bargain. Hash 9, use local personal shopper or concierge apps. Want to experience the VIP treatment wherever you go without paying a fortune for a personal concierge? Local personal shopper and concierge apps are your digital key to unlocking exclusive experiences and insider access. Services like Get Your Guide, Airbnb Experiences, or Luxy Concierge connect you with local experts who can curate personalized tours, secure skip-the-line entry to popular attractions, and arrange behind-the-scenes luxury experiences, all for significantly less than the exorbitant fees charged by traditional hotel tour desks. Imagine having a private guide whisk you through the Louvre, bypassing the long lines and providing insightful commentary that you wouldn't get from a generic group tour. Or picture yourself enjoying a sunset cocktail cruise on a private yacht, complete with personalized service and stunning views. These are the kinds of experiences that these apps can unlock, making your travels truly unforgettable. Pro secret: many upscale services offer deep discounts if you book last minute or during off-peak hours. Be flexible with your schedule and you could snag a premium experience for a fraction of the usual cost. Also, don't be afraid to negotiate prices. You might be surprised at how much you can save. Hash 8, dine like a king with Michelin star lunch menus. Craving a taste of the culinary world's elite, but hesitant to drop hundreds of dollars on a single dinner? This one's for you. Many Michelin-starred and other world-class restaurants offer lunch menus that are a mere fraction of the price of their elaborate evening offerings. You get the same incredible kitchen, the same meticulously sourced ingredients, and the same impeccable service, but without the eye-watering dinner bill. Imagine savoring a multi-course tasting menu crafted by a celebrated chef, surrounded by elegant ambiance and attentive staff, all for a fraction of the price you'd pay at dinner time. It's a perfect way to indulge in a truly exceptional dining experience without breaking the bank. Pro secret: check out apps like The Fork, Reese, or Open Table for exclusive deals and early access to reservations. Many restaurants also offer lunch specials or prix-fixe menus that can save you even more money. Dress code is still important, so plan accordingly to enjoy your affordable luxury travel. Hash 7, use trusted house sitting or luxury home swaps. Picture this: you wake up in a stunning $1 million villa overlooking the sparkling Mediterranean Sea, or perhaps a cozy beachfront cottage nestled on a pristine Caribbean island. You stroll out onto your private balcony, breathe in the fresh ocean air, and realize that you haven't paid a single penny for your accommodation. Sounds too good to be true? Not with house sitting and home swapping. Sites like TrustedHousesitters.com or HomeExchange.com let you stay in incredible homes, some even boasting private pools, sprawling gardens, and breathtaking views for free in exchange for light pet or house care. You get to experience a destination like a local, living in a fully equipped home with all the comforts you could possibly desire while saving a fortune on accommodation costs. Pro secret: create a truly compelling profile with glowing reviews and professional-looking photos to gain access to the most elite listings. The better your reputation, the more amazing the homes you'll be able to find. Be sure to highlight your experience with pets, your attention to detail, and your commitment to responsible house sitting. #6. Book direct for hidden VIP benefits. In the age of online travel agencies, it's easy to forget the power of booking directly with the hotel, but skipping the third-party sites and going straight to the source can often unlock a treasure trove of hidden VIP benefits and exclusive perks. Hotels often reserve their best rooms and offer complimentary perks like free breakfast, guaranteed room upgrades, early check-in, and late checkout if you book directly through their own website. They also have more flexibility to accommodate special requests and preferences when you book directly. It pays to build a relationship with the hotel, even if it's just for one stay. Pro secret: mention a special occasion like a honeymoon, anniversary, or birthday in your booking notes. You might be pleasantly surprised with a complimentary bottle of champagne, a sweet upgrade, or other special treats. And always join the hotel's loyalty program, even if it's just for one stay, to unlock member-exclusive freebies and earn points toward future stays. This is the path towards easier luxury travel. #5. Travel during shoulder season for 5-star perks. Forget the crowded beaches, inflated prices, and long lines of peak season. Instead, embrace the savvy traveler's secret weapon: shoulder season. Shoulder season refers to the periods just before and after the peak travel season, when the weather is still pleasant but the crowds have thinned out considerably. These periods, typically April, May, and September, October, offer the perfect balance of good weather, fewer crowds, and unbeatable prices. During shoulder season, hotels and airlines are eager to fill empty rooms and seats, which means you can often score incredible deals on accommodations and flights. You're also more likely to receive complimentary room upgrades, late checkouts, and other bonus perks simply because the hotel isn't operating at full capacity. Pro secret: don't be afraid to politely inquire about an upgrade at check-in. Many 5-star hotels are more than happy to oblige if they have available rooms, especially during the quieter shoulder season. A friendly smile and a courteous request can go a long way. #4. Get luxury airport lounge access without flying first class. Imagine escaping the hustle and bustle of the crowded airport terminal and retreating to a tranquil oasis of comfort and relaxation. Picture yourself lounging in a plush armchair, sipping complimentary cocktails, and indulging in a gourmet buffet, all while enjoying free Wi-Fi and stunning views of the runway. This is the reality of airport lounge access, and you don't need a first-class ticket to experience it. Services like Priority Pass and Lounge Key, or premium credit cards like the Amex Platinum or Capital One Venture X, grant you unlimited access to a network of luxurious airport lounges around the world. Pro secret: many premium credit cards offer free guest access, allowing you to bring a travel buddy along to enjoy the luxury with you. It's a great way to enhance your travel experience and make your journey more enjoyable for both of you. #3. Fly business class for economy prices with error fares. Ever stumbled upon a price so low it seemed too good to be true? It might have been an error fare. These are mistakes made by airlines when pricing tickets, resulting in unbelievably low prices for business or first class flights. We're talking business class to Europe for under $500, or even first class to Asia for a fraction of the normal price. Sites like Secret Flying, Fly for Free, or The Flight Deal are your digital treasure maps to these incredible deals. They scour the internet for these mistakes and alert their subscribers as soon as they're discovered. Pro secret: subscribe to premium services like Going.com, formerly Scott's Cheap Flights, for instant alerts when these error fares pop up. Be prepared to act fast, because these deals are typically available for a very limited time. Have your passport and credit card ready to go, and be flexible with your travel dates and destinations to maximize your chances of securing a truly exceptional bargain. #2. Use credit card points and airline miles like the elite. This is where the magic truly happens. Stop letting those valuable credit card rewards accumulate dust in your account. It's time to put them to work and unlock a world of luxury travel. Sign up for premium travel credit cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Amex Platinum, or Capital One Venture X to rack up those massive sign-up bonuses. These cards offer generous rewards programs that allow you to earn points or miles on every purchase. Pro secret: use websites such as Point.me or Rome.travel to easily easily discover flights using points across a variety of airlines. This helps you to find the best way to travel with your luxury travel plans. #1. Book luxury hotels at hostel prices using rate hack sites. Our top secret weapon for affordable luxury accommodation. Rate hack sites like Hotwire, Priceline Express Deals, and Secret Escapes. These sites offer heavily discounted rates on mystery 5-star hotels, often slashing prices by 60 to 80%. Pro secret: before confirming the reservation, visit a site like betterbidding.com and try to decode. So there you have it, 10 insider secrets that will transform your travels and unlock the world of 5-star experiences without breaking the bank. Now go forth, explore the world, and indulge in the luxury travel you deserve.